Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchan Singh today informed the Manipur Legislative Assembly that Deputy Commissioners, DCs, have been instructed to ensure prompt and effective distribution of relief materials to victims affected by severe rainfall and hailstorms. The statement came in response to calling attention motion raised by opposition member K. Meghachandra during the ongoing session of Manipur Legislative Assembly. The motion highlighted concerns over delays in providing assistance to those impacted by heavy downpours, which have caused widespread damage, including to homes, farmlands, and livelihoods. He also questioned whether measures have been initiated by agriculture and horticulture departments for owners of paddy fields and crops that have been submerged or damaged. In his reply, the Chief Minister stated that officials have been deployed to assess the damage on the ground. Geotagged photographs are being used to verify claims and funds will be released accordingly, noting that process may take some time in certain cases. However, to address immediate needs, DCs have been directed to procure essential relief items from local markets from the funds of the DCs to enable faster assistance to those in distress.
Mamangi Sahidasu, I did Marana Tenagibagi, when I Sinjami do the so, Yum Samanga Gimataka, Zinga Hova, Hizalai. Although Sarkar process the supply water piba, port porpa, Matam Sangbanina, Tam Surakanda, Zingalai. The lacting ida Ayamba, emulating the Dinabrina, make it Kibaga Wawa, some Tenazawi. So that Garancy, a deceasing the Ariba Pisadagi. Labor Horo, local process boards or Amaborsu, Labor Horo, and around the instruction Pizagre, Noidana, was it Yamkana inspection Sally, like we see, showing up and very reports late than a pina, Saliba inspections into geotech photo in your bureau, Duga, Sangadova, Sassing to target bureau with Kuta Tadoke, Ibamadu. At the same time, no, you were moving to the other, but enough Madu Yanaba, Sinsi, and Yamkana instruction Pizagre, Duga Huziki, or never let Tamiriba, Granny, long missing Yam Pava Colony, I do. Ngasiga yum sing du yeng baluradi best table ki swap ko pa mayam du so ai jeng jan na bai so hai jarage